7th Science, Physics and Chemistry, Unit 3, Matter Around Us. We see the topic atoms. First we see structure of an atom. Here P is the proton. It have a positive charge, and N is the neutron. It have a no charge. Neutron having charge. Okay. Then E minus is a electron. This electron have a negative charge. Okay. Here proton and neutron is present in a center portion of the atom. It is also known as the nucleus. Okay. In the nucleus, what are we present? What are they present? Proton and neutron. Okay, students. Then the electron. This electron revolve around the nucleus. In this electron revolve around the nucleus. Okay, it is the structure of an atom. Here in this your book, we see structure of an atom. This is an atom. Here we see the red color sphere denote the positive charge proton. It is the white color denote the neutron. In the center position we have proton and neutron. This is the electron. Electron revolve around the nucleus. Okay, students. Here we see one pencil. Here graphite lead. This graphite lead is made up of an element called carbon. Okay, this graphite lead is made up of an carbon atom. We break graphite into smaller and smaller particles. We can break graphite into smaller and smaller particles. Finally we get the smallest or tiny particles is called carbon atom. Okay, it's called the carbon atom. Okay, student. Finally we know all the matter is composed of tiny particles called atom. Okay, all the matter, here see one matter is composed of tiny particles. Okay, this is called a atom. So finally an atom is a basic unit of a matter. An atom is a basic unit of a matter. Okay, students. Then we see molecules. What is molecule? A molecule is made up of two or more atoms. This is molecule. The molecule is made up of two or more atoms. Okay, two or more atoms. Okay, students. Two or more atoms chemically combined. Okay, chemically combined. Here we see some examples. First we see the oxygen. Here we see the oxygen gas. Two oxygen atom chemically combined to have a oxygen gas. Okay. In the same way, ozone, O3. Ozone, here 3 ozone atom chemically combined to have ozone. Okay, to have ozone. Finally, formation of an water molecule. Here 2 hydrogen atom. This is H2. This is another one H2 plus O2. Here 2 H2 plus 2 O2 gives 2 H2O. 2 water molecule have. Okay, an atom of 1 hydrogen and 2 atom of 1 atom of oxygen and the 2 atom of hydrogen combined to form a molecule of water. Okay, combined to form a molecule of water. 1 atom of oxygen and the 2 atom of hydrogen combined to form a molecule of water H2O. Okay, students. Then we see classification of molecule. First one, monoatomic molecule. A molecule contain only one atom. It is called as a monoatomic molecule. Example, inert gases. Okay. Then second, diatomic molecule. The molecule contain 2 atoms. It is called the diatomic molecule. Example, oxygen, hydrogen. Okay, student. Then a triatomic molecule. The molecule contains 3 atoms. It is called the triatomic molecule. Example, ozone, carbon dioxide, etc. Okay, students. Then finally, polyatomic molecule. the molecule contain more than 3 atoms, it is called the polyatomic molecule. Example, phosphate, sulfur, etc. Students, here we see molecules of elements. Molecules of elements, it consists of fixed number of one type of atom. Fixed number of one type of atom chemically combined. Example, oxygen, O2. Here we see one type of atom. Then here we see molecules of compounds. It consists of a fixed number of different types of atoms chemically combined. Different types of atom chemically combined. That is the molecules of compound. Okay students, here we see two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. Okay, one oxygen atom combined to have a molecules of compound. Okay, different types of atoms chemically combined is the molecules of compound. Okay students, here we see the more examples, compounds with same atom. Here we see a chlorine molecule, 2 chlorine atom. Here it is also chlorine, this is also chlorine, 2 chlorine. Here oxygen, 2 oxygen, same type of atom. Okay, nitrogen, this is nitrogen, this also nitrogen. Okay, same type of atom chemically combined. Okay, in these molecules of element. But here we see one carbon atom, 2 oxygen atom. Okay, this is carbon dioxide molecule, carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide, we see one carbon is the one type of atom and the oxygen is another type of atom. Okay, different type of atoms chemically combined. Here different types of atom chemically combined. Okay students, here ammonia, we have the another one example, ammonia have a one nitrogen and the 3 hydrogen atom. The hydrogen chloride, one hydrogen and one chlorine. Okay students, thank you.